My name is Anne with MojoDesk, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about the control box and replacing it. So your control box controls your desk's overall height and functionality. So if it is damaged or isn't working, there's some sort of defect with it, you're going to have to replace that, but it's actually really easy. Let me walk you through it. Over here you have your power cord. You're just going to want to unplug that, and for the purposes of this demonstration, we don't have the top of the desk on because I didn't want to lay underneath the desk. You wouldn't be able to see quite as well that way. So you're going to unplug the power cord, just let that go away. Now over here you have your hand cords and the hand controller cord, as well as the cords to the motors that run in each of your legs. Now our desks come with a motor in each leg, dual motor system. So with your hand control, it's kind of like an Ethernet cable where there's that poppy prong underneath it. So you're gently going to press that prong up and pull out. Now that's unplugged. Now the reason I say that is those two motor cords also have that same prong, and you want to be really careful not to break it or yank too hard on it, although it fits in pretty tightly, so you might have to give it some solid pressure to remove it. So then I'm going to lift that prong up, remove that, lift that one, and remove that. All right, so now essentially you are just using a Phillips head screwdriver to remove two screws on either corner of the box. You're going to screw from underneath the desk and remove those, and remove your old box, place your new box in there, screw it back in, plug everything back in, and your desk should be working normally again. Now, if you want any more information, tips, or troubleshooting guides for your MojoDesk, please visit us at mojodesk.com/help.